we'll see the use of this grep command. Okay. And for that one, I'm going to create a file. Okay. Normally, I will type the command lines. Right now, I'm available that one. So to reduce the time, so I just having some 6 lines or 7 lines totally. You are having it. And if you're observing these lines, there is a Linux is a most common word here. Okay. The Linux, some are like open source session, kernel, like a lot of other things. Without Linux, also there is a one line is also there. Okay, so I've saved it. Okay, check it once again. Is it created? Yes, the file is created. Okay, then what is this grep? The grep, whatever the pattern you have specified under the grep, based on that pattern, it search in the lines in that file. It search the lines contain that pattern matched lines. It display those lines on the screen. For example, I put a Linux in the G file one. I want to know any lines contains any line contains Linux. What is there? Display those lines. So it is displayed 3 lines. It displayed 3 lines. Okay. But actually, I have a 7 lines totally. In a 7 lines, it is showing 3 lines which contain Linux. But 3 more lines also contain Linux. You see, this also contain Linux. This also Linux is here. Okay, one more Linux somewhere. It is this also having Linux. It's not showing these lines. It is showing other 3 lines only. Anybody know why? 6 lines are having Linux, but it is showing only 3 lines. Any guess? Guessing.
That is not a command.
Command is correct only. See the difference? This Linux and that Linux is. This Linux and this Linux. What is the difference?
One is a capital one is small L.
Very good. So Linux is case sensitive. It is taking as a cases like that. But when you are searching, generally we don't know, right? Whether it is in a cap letters or small letters. We want both, whether it is cap letters, small letters, wise, but we want a both kind of lines in that cases. At exact matches, even in different cases also we want it. So then we need an option called a -I. What is an -I? Ignore the case sensitive. Ignore the case. Even there is a case differences are there, capital letters, small letters are there. So display those lines. Okay. Right. Now I keep that -I. Okay. And then I want to see my keyword. I want to see the lines, which is if keyword matches, display those lines. That's a grep command. -A, even though cases are different, display the lines. But I want to see the lines, which is my keyword must be the start of the line. The keyword must be start of the line. I want to see those lines, not all the lines, only those lines having a keyword is start of the line. So before the keyword, put a cap, means shift 6. Shift 6 will give this cap symbol. Now, what are the lines? Only 2 lines are having Linux in a starting, first keyword. Okay. Next, I want to see the keyword. If in this case, this keyword must be the end of the line. I want those lines only. The lines I want it. The keyword must be the end of the line. Must be in the end of the line. And put a keyword. and a dollar. Keyword, then dollar. See one line having a line X, which is end of the line. Okay, where it is? End of the line. Start of the line, end of the line. You guys understand how to do it?
Yes, sir.
In case my Linux keywords are in a, the keyword is in the file, it is a very big file, but where it is matches, where it is exactly on which lines this keyword is there, on which lines the keyword is there. Okay, -n along with the line number, you are able to see. Okay, so 6 lines having this keyword, and what is there? Line numbers. For example, you want to search for a particular line. That line is the 50th line. You don't know whether it is which line it is. You are getting a line, but which you don't know which line it is. You have to go to that line and you have to edit it in a next configurations. But you should know which line it is. How you get it? So simple -n will tell you which line number. What is the line number of this line? So you will get it. Next. -v. -v, unmatched line. This is having a 7 lines are having, but out of 7 lines, 6 lines are having a line X. One line does not contain line X. I want to see the unmatched lines. Okay, the keyword does not in the line, the keyword is not there. Okay, unmatched type means the lines which is not having a keyword, that is -v. I actually have to give -c, then -v. But -c means number of lines matching with this keyword. Number of lines matching with this keyword, -c. So what I use, guys, -i, ignore the case sensitive options. You understand the command means grep keyword file name, or command pipe grep keyword for output, right? So here it is, we'll see the file name wise only. First is -i option, extra option, what is for ignoring cases. In case of your keyword and the actual client contains different cases, then better to use -i. Okay, or you want to strictly want to get a same case kind of stuff also, then you don't use it -i. Okay, and you put a cap before the keyword. It means if the keyword is the start of the line, it will display. Okay, it display the lines if the keyword is start of those lines. Okay, and you put a keyword and dollar. Okay, end of the lines, end of the line. Okay, keyword is end of the line. Keyword is end of the line. So then matches, it display the on the screen. Okay, dollar, keyword and dollar means end of the line. Cap and keyword means start of the line. Okay, -n along with the line number. Along with the line number. On which line number? Line number, the line which is matching with your keyword. -c, number of lines matching with your keyword. Number of lines which is matching with your keyword. Okay. -v, which is not matching with the lines which is not matching with the keyword. Okay. So understand, guys, grep usage.
Yes, sir.
So this is passwd file. We've seen this passwd file, right? This is some lines are having a no logins. Some are having a bin bash. Okay, this is the root. And here also I created some users with some user 1, user 2, user 3, user 4, and n student 1, n student 2 also. Okay, some are having a IDs like this. So you want to query. For example, I want to see how many users having a bin bash keyword matching to this file. See, those are all matching with the bin bash. Bin bash. How many are having home directory? grep/home and file name like that. Okay. So bin bash contains not everything. How many are users are with this 1000 as a user ID or group ID? Anyway, any user ID or group ID, any of the both. Nothing. So mistake is mine. I put a dollar. I should not put a dollar. It's a question mark. But when you use wildcard marks, better to use double quotes in the wildcards. Why it is not showing? 1000. The 1000 is showing, but you can use that wildcards, right? Wildcard is also working. It is not working. Okay, question mark is not working one character, but it is with others, it is working. See, these are the things are having 100 and as well as 1000, 1001, 1002 also matching here. Okay, so how many users start with the user? Okay, the line starting with the user. Okay, this is a one part of grep command. The same way you can use a grep in the output kind of stuff. Means one command output. In that output, you can find SSP grep. For example, ls. In this ls command, I want to see, okay, the files are start with the pf. See pf1, pf2, pf3, pf4. Okay. So anyway, directly I given. So or emp1. Okay, emp1, emp2. There is a template also having emp. That line also displaying here. Okay. This is the way we are using grep. From output also, in output, what are the lines are there? Those lines we can able to view from here. Guys, understand grep clearly?
Yes, sir.
Now take a lunch break. The next class will be at 2:15. Okay, 2:15, 2:20 will start again. Okay. Same link. Okay, we'll join. 2:15, 2:20. Join by 2:15. I will start at 2:20. Linux is a vast subject, guys. Lot of commands, lot of both. There is a basic as well as a administration is also.